Okay, welcome to our channel again. Today we had Hyundai Tucson 2016. So with the 1.7 CRDI 16 valve engine. So we have replaced the fuel filter, as you can see, and I was happy that I'm going to prime the fuel system with the scanner, but unfortunately our scanner did not have this feature or function. So now we are going to prime the fuel filter manually. So as you can see the mark, so this is output from the fuel filter, and the other one, this one, let me show you. This one is input to the fuel filter. So we have connected the input. This is the input, and we have put that in the diesel can, and we have connected the fuel filter output, which is going to be towards the high pressure pump. And now we have brought that output, this one, as you can see, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, as you can see, we have connected that here to this pump. And now we are going to operate vacuum this. As you can see, fuel is emerging. Let me show you. Hold on. Vacuum pump. Okay, as you can see, fuel is emerging from this pump, from this pipe, and it's coming through this. Okay, now I'm going to stop that because it's going to fill this up. So I'm going to stop that. As you can see, so that's going to. Okay, now I'm going to connect the fuel line. Okay, I have connected fuel lines to the fuel filter. Now I'm going to crank the engine. Okay, as you can see, the engine is running smooth, no leakage whatsoever. So that was the priming of the fuel filter or fuel system of the Tucson 1.7 CRDI 2016.